The first educational technology tool I'll be spotlighting today is the MagicSchool, and this is the website's link. So, MagicSchool is an AI-powered platform that teachers can use to design their lesson plan and even the content. And this happens in just few seconds. I'll show you how to go about this quickly. So, the first thing is to access the website of MagicSchool. You can see that the interface is so beautiful. So, once you're able to access it, it is very easy to navigate. So I specifically love to use this 5E model lesson plan that I just spotlight right now. Yeah, I love to use this because it is very detailed and straightforward. So all you have to do is, after clicking on it, you select the grade you are working with. For example, in this example, I'm working with grade 8. So you click on the grade you're working with, you write the topic you're trying to work with. Could be any topic. Then you can add additional customization that you want to be included in the lesson plan. Then generate, and in a few seconds, boom, you have everything you need. I love this because it is very detailed. It gives you the objective of the lesson. It gives you the materials you need for the lesson. It gives you even ideas on how to engage your student, things to explore, how to explain, how to elaborate, and even how to evaluate your student after you're done teaching them. Then you could just choose to copy this and paste it on your Word document, or you could even ask additional questions. And in a few seconds, you have it all up again. So you could choose to copy this again or add and ask additional questions.